Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Fix 1. Steps to fix sound or audio problem in Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound. Scroll down. Under advanced option you will see more sound settings, click on it and then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Then go to the spatial sound tab and from the drop down first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit on apply, OK, and then again relaunch the game and check if the sound or audio is fixed or not. Fix 2 is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using any headphones, then you might like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3. Steps to fix sound or audio problem in Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Then go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on apply and then launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio issues in Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.